Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of Instagram hacking. But don't worry, it's all for ethical purposes. We're going to be exploring a tool called Instasploit, a powerful framework designed for security testing and penetration testing on Instagram. Now, before we get started, I want to emphasize the importance of ethical hacking. This means using your skills for good, not for harm. We're going to be learning how to exploit vulnerabilities to help secure Instagram accounts and platforms, not to steal information or cause damage. So, let's get started. Instasploit is a versatile tool that provides a range of modules for different types of Instagram attacks. These modules can be used to test for vulnerabilities, gather information, and even simulate attacks. It's important to note that Instasploit is primarily for educational and research purposes. Let's break down the basic structure of Instasploit. Modules. These are the core components of Instasploit. They contain scripts for various attacks and exploits. Payloads. These are the malicious code that is delivered to the target system. Encoders. These are used to obfuscate the payload to evade detection. Exploits. These are the scripts that leverage vulnerabilities to execute payloads. Before we can start playing around with Instasploit, we need to install it. For this tutorial, we'll be using Kali Linux, which comes pre-installed with a variety of hacking tools. Once Instasploit is installed, we can launch it from the terminal. Instasploit comes with a variety of modules that can be used for different purposes. Let's take a look at some of the common ones. Information gathering modules. These modules can be used to collect information about Instagram users, profiles, and posts. Brute force modules. These modules can be used to attempt to guess passwords. Phishing modules. These modules can be used to create fake login pages to steal credentials. Exploit modules. These modules can be used to exploit vulnerabilities in Instagram's infrastructure. Instasploit is a powerful tool for security researchers and ethical hackers. By understanding how it works and using it responsibly, you can contribute to improving the security of Instagram and other online platforms. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to identify vulnerabilities and help organizations protect their systems. Always use these tools with respect for others' privacy and security. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hacking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.